Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So I'm going to be talking to you about Snake brand Prickly Heat Cooling Powder. And this is it. I love this product. I've been using this for quite some time, and yeah, it's just one of those things that, you know, is just really helpful if you have irritated skin some of the times, or if you need just like a good like itch relief. It's very just like natural and also dry powder solution to, you know, as opposed to like maybe like topical creams and stuff like that, which I don't know, my body's just never really fared well with. So I really like this, and I want to talk about it, and you know, I guess to tell you guys the good things about it. So this one is the 150 grams classic scent. As you can see right there, classic scent. I believe they have other scents like lavender. There's like an active herbal scent, some other ones. I really like the classic one. I don't know, just feel like I stick with the one that doesn't have too much scent to it. It's definitely got like a menthol sort of smell to it. It's not overpowering, not overbearing. You can definitely smell it when you put it on, but I think that's just like the cooling part of it. Once you know, have walked out of the house, it'll be gone. It's not gonna stick to you. You're not gonna smell like menthol all day. So actually using this thing, I use it mostly when I get out of the shower. I use it once a day, maybe twice a day, depending on the season or the kind of day that I've had. But yeah, usually when I get out of the shower. Basically like a dusting powder, like antiseptic. So, you know, you have these like natural essential oils which have been made into this powder. This powder helps to soothe the skin and basically gets rid of any sort of skin irritation. Really great for that. We've been getting tons of mosquitoes here in LA recently, so I've been using this just because, you know, you be sitting outside at night, you get a couple bites. You know, the worst thing you can do is itch them, so put this on. And again, going back to the thing, it's a powder. That's what's so nice about it, is like it doesn't make your skin feel like gross and like oily or wet or anything. It's just like you put this on and it just soothes while retaining kind of the same moisture that your skin already has. It's also great. I use it for, you know, my skin gets a little dry, sometimes a little bit rashy when the seasons switch. Basically when we're going from like summer to winter, really nice to have something like that. Yeah, you can easily use this multiple times throughout the day. It'll just keep you feeling fresh, keep you feeling really nice, and yeah, and you'll be solid. The design of this thing is what really turned me onto it when I first picked it up. I just love the design of the container. It's in a really cool casing. It's almost like a vintage sort of casing, you know. You don't really see anything like this anymore in like, you know, these like aluminum or like tin style containers. It's like all the old you know, like shaving creams or powders or antiseptics that used to be in these kinds of cases. So it's cool that they kind of had that little like throwback sort of thing with the design of it. And it comes just like this too. You know, there's no other wrapping or anything else. It's just the can. It has a pretty sweet little snake design up here, which you can see, which I actually really just like the overall the graphics on the tin. Just really cool, really interesting. You know, you can easily leave this up on the bathroom counter, and it's like, you know, whereas like most kind of soaps or things like this, it's like, oh, you want to hide them away because they look really like weird and like medical. This actually looks kind of cool, you know, so it's nice to be able to keep that out. It is from Thailand, so you have everything in Thai right here. Then you also have, you know, that doubled in English. That's pretty cool. And then it's, yeah, again in Thai all over here as well. So it's a really nice little product. If you're someone who suffers from like having dry skin or getting rashes, I really can't recommend anything better. And I mean, the reason I got this to start with was I had like a weird phase, about a month of like eczema on my arms, and so I used this kind of to cool them down and like keep myself from scratching. And by no means am I a doctor or anything, but it really helped me. And yeah, it's just a great little product, I believe. So yeah, anyway, it's the Snake brand Prickly Heat Cooling Powder. Would definitely recommend checking it out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.